2025 CR 0020083, State versus Humberto Rodriguez. Can I have parties announce?
First opinion for the state of Texas. Jorge Canales from defense.
And are you Mr. Rodriguez?
Yes.
We have an interpreter here. Can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear and affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And could you state your name for the record, please?
Clean Abrams, license number 2081.
All right, Mr. Rodriguez, all of the documents that I'm gonna review with you are in English. What those documents explain to you in Spanish?
Yes,
And defense, do you speak Spanish?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And do you speak it fluently?
Yes, I do.
And were you able to explain the documents to your client in Spanish?
Yes, I was.
Mr. Rodriguez, let me see. Did you review the document entitled Application for Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
yes,
Counsel, have you received all discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
I have, and I did review.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Rodriguez, did you review true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
yes,
Counsel, do you waive the reading? All right, let's go off the record. So there's an issue with the paperwork, the plea paperwork.
Everything appears to be moving toward a routine plea until the judge catches something in the paperwork. The punishment recommendation and the community supervision section don't appear to line up cleanly. It may sound like a small administrative detail, but in a plea hearing, the court has to make sure everyone is working from the same terms before moving forward.
Y'all are asking for punishment to be assessed at 2 years, but then y'all are recommending community supervision. And then you have community supervision checked at the bottom. Ah, okay, I see it now. There's no application for deferred adjudication, correct?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Counsel, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? I'm sorry, with your client.
Yes, I have.
And Mr. Rodriguez, did you understand the indictment?
yes,
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State your proceeding on the indictment as presented.
Your Honor.
Mr. Rodriguez, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
yes,
Did you understand you're charged with assault family household member with a previous conviction as a third-degree felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years, no problem, in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
yes,
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
yes,
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
yes,
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, he has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Rodriguez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
no, nobody,
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
no,
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
yes,
Are you a U.S. citizen?
No, President.
no, I'm a resident.
Counsel, did you address immigration issues with your client?
I did, Your Honor. I received an advisal from the immigration attorney at the MAC, Mr. Justin Tullius, just today. And he emailed me all the letter and I went over that with my client.
All right, Mr. Rodriguez, do you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence and with this type of case involving violence that you will be deported?
Yes,
And do you understand that you will not be, that you will be denied naturalization?
Your Honor, if I may,
yes,
according to the advisal from Mr. Tullius, Mr. Rodriguez qualifies to avoid deportation because this would be his first case of moral turpitude.
This is the moment the consequences become much more serious. The discussion is no longer just about the sentence or probation. The court is now examining what this plea could mean for Rodriguez's immigration status, and the judge points to a prior case that changes the picture. Suddenly, the decision in front of him carries consequences far beyond this courtroom.
No, this is not his first case of moral turpitude because he was previously on deferred adjudication for another family violence case. And if that family violence case is a family violence case against a female, those are all considered crimes of moral turpitude. So this is his second crime of moral turpitude.
Okay.
So do you understand that you're going to be deported?
yes, I understand.
All right, somebody may want to talk to the MAC about that and let them know that this is his second. Does everyone agree that this is his second family violence offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
And that the previous one was against a female?
Yes.
All right, so both of these are crimes of moral turpitude. Whether you receive deferred adjudication on the first one or not, that's a crime of moral turpitude. Do you understand?
Yes, I
And do you
understand.
understand that you will be deported?
Yes,
And do you understand that you will be denied naturalization?
yes,
Did you understand the consequences and the impact of entering this plea as it relates to your immigration status?
yes, I do.
Now, the judge puts the decision directly in front of him. The court has explained the immigration consequences, and Rodriguez has acknowledged that he understands them. Despite that, he still chooses to move forward with the plea. From this point on, the hearing shifts from explaining the consequences to finalizing the agreement.
And knowing that you are going to be deported, do you still wish to go forward with this plea?
Yes,
Counsel, do you still wish to go forward with the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
yes, I did.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. State recommends community supervision. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with the complainant. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, I understand.
Defendant, is that the plea?
It is. Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes,
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
yes, I understand.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No,
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years. There be 80 hours of community service restitution, the BIPP course, TAP evaluation, and follow TAP recommendations. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, I understand.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor, just some state officer evidence to exhibit one.
no objection.
All right, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes,
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
yes,
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
yes, I do.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, have you spoken to the complainant?
Yeah, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We'd ask the court to follow the agreement, Judge.
All right, do you have any children, sir?
Sí,
Yes.
Ages?
¿Qué edades tienen?
19, 15 y 12 y 8.
19, 15, 12, and 8.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. $1,500 fine, probated. Sentence you to 2 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 4 years. Permanent finding of family violence. No contact with the Stella Sanchez. 80 hours community service restitution. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home healthcare provider with minors. The BIPP course. Once he completes parenting classes, community service hours will be deemed satisfied. TAP evaluation in custody. And if the TAP evaluation is not completed in 2 weeks, he's to be released. So that will be I'll do a release date of June 16th if the TAP evaluation is not completed. Field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. Probation, is there anything else?
Judge, the 80 hours of community service that wait upon completion of the check.
Yes.
No.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, that's fine, thank you.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Sí.
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction and an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
All right, good luck to you. Deputy Laura, he needs to go into custody.
Maybe excuse your.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
2 semanas.
Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.